Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to freeze an avocado. To freeze an avocado, the first thing you're going to do is slice your avocado in half, and this avocado is ready to eat. Now, I personally like to freeze whole avocado halves, so I just take a spoon and spoon out the half of an avocado. And then you just wrap it in plastic wrap. Alternatively, you can also put all your avocado halves inside of a zip bag and then freeze them. They will stick together, so that's why I personally like to do half an avocado at a time, because I throw them in my smoothies or I make guacamole. Once wrapped, all I do is I just stick it in the freezer, and when I'm ready to use it, pull it out and thaw it. Now you're probably wondering, does the avocado taste differently? It does not taste different when you want to use it to thaw it out. However, it does change texture. So the best thing to do with it is either make guacamole or mash it up in one way or another, or throw it in a smoothie. See you next time.